My name is Corey Stanky, and these are my adventures. Today, we're heading west into the Olympic Mountains of Washington. The mission is to put my recently repaired Phantom 4 drone through some tests and further explore the Olympic National Forest. Our first stop is the well-known and easily accessed high steel bridge over the Skokomish River. My drone has been out for months after being damaged while getting it unstuck from a tree. Not sure why I thought testing it over such an inaccessible canyon was a good idea. Between my clearly rusty piloting skills and the gusty canyon winds, this was definitely a nerve-wracking spot to fly. With the test flight a success, it's time to head deeper into the forest and further away from the popular spots. To follow a road into the woods with no set destination, that's adventuring at its core. most of the obstacles on the forest roads today were simple potholes. There was this one particular section. Combine recent heavy rains and poor drainage along this part of the road, and you get this cascading mud hole section. Proper all-terrain tires make this a mild challenge at best. Sometimes when there is no defined destination, that's when we find the best spots. Before now, I had no idea this riverside camp spot even existed. Finding such a tranquil and peaceful spot tucked away in the mountains reminds me of the importance of adventuring. It truly is rejuvenating to sit here and be so disconnected from the outside world, yet feel so connected with nature.